I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal.
I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to waste my life. I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to block my shot. I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to cross my line. I got zero pesos when everyone who talks shit on my phone. I got zero patience, got your hero waiting. Oh yeah, I got zero patience, got your hero waiting. I got zero patience, zero patience. I got zero patience. I got zero patience.
Too much on my chest, I'm about to rip it off. Slipping on me, it's time to make my mark. I'm about to prove them wrong. Know me asking for a chance, I'm getting fucked off. Try to steal my flow, they try to rip me off. But all is taking off. For the battle rap, I can take them all. The floor will break your fall, just remember your jaw. No mistakes, no flaws, don't hate how I'm balling. Not left to say when your jaw is locked. Don't be asking for a bone till you find this Smith. Quit barking at your lead, bitch, these little dogs always show their teeth. Took the time and the effort to work on my flow. Work on perfect me and readdress. Turn the prompt to the blessing. Slow it down, turn it up both ways. Gotta turn it up to a message. Zero pace for the saints and the grace. That time to give me right way for a settlement. Maybe it's the check, maybe it's the hell of it. I got zero patience.
I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to waste my life. I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to block my shot. I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to cross my line. I got zero pesos when everyone who talks shit. I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to waste my life. I got zero pesos when everyone who tries to block my shot. I got zero pesos.